Welcome to KSP Academy. In the last class, we already started the concept is nothing but types of conductors. The types of conductors we already completed solid conductors. Last class, we have completed solid conductors. Solid conductors. In the solid conductors, we have one drawback. The drawback is skin effect is more. Skin effect is more. If skin effect is more, that is a drawback for that. To reduce the skin effect in the solid conductors, to reduce the skin effect in the solid conductor, we have switched on into that standard conductors. What is the purpose of standard conductor? The purpose of standard conductor is to reduce the skin effect. To reduce the skin effect. So how you are going to reduce the skin effect in the standard conductors? So actually basically you go for reduce the skin effect. How you design the standard conductors? So standard conductor is nothing but, let us take a solid conductor. Cross section is full. Let us take one solid conductor. This is what the solid conductor. Let us draw a small diagram. What do you do? This is one solid conductor. Completely it is a solid piece. Completely it is a solid piece. Cross section I should draw one side. This solid piece. This solid piece of conductor we are making into small strands. We are making into small strands. The total complete a solid conductor we are making into complete small strands. Like this we are making into small strands. Making into small strands. These small strands we are twisted together to increase the tensile strength and to increase the current carrying capability. So why you should making this small strands means, to take a solid conductor, let us take one solid conductor, the skin effect is more because current should be concentrating on total surface area of the conductor. Skin effect is more. Same such a conductor, if you make a small strands, like this, how this skin effect going to happening is that each strand will take a skin effect a small, like this. Therefore, the skin effect the chances it going to be reduced. If you use the strands skin effect, how much skin effect? So due to this, the skin effect. Due to this, skin effect is less. This skin effect is more compared to this skin effect. Because each strand current will go into this, each strand current automatically it should use entire cross section area rather than a smaller portion. Therefore, by using this logic, making it strands, we can reduce the skin effect. I hope I clear. So take a solid conductor, take it to the strands means small pieces, making small portions. Making like this bunch, then twisted together to increase the current carrying capability or to increase the tensile strength. Such a type of conductor called a standard conductors. In the standard conductors, we have two things, note points are important. The note number one is reduce the skin effect. What is that? Reduce the skin effect. But we are losing one thing actually. If you take a solid conductor, the mechanical strength or tensile strength should be very strong because solid conductor should not be string. But come to this one, the tensile strength going to be reduced. Tensile strength is less. I hope the tensile strength going to be reduced. Automatically, sag of conductor is increases. Sag of conductor going to be reduced because tensile strength is less, automatically sag should going to be reduced. Because if you use, let us line supporters like this, the solid conductor it should be like this, straight. There is no sag. If you use a standard conductors, it is going like this. This is the standard conductors. This is nothing but solid conductor. This is nothing but a sag. Sag for standard conductors, solid conductors no sag. That is the drawback of this standard. We have overcome the skin effect, but we have problem with that sag of the conductor, because sag is very more automatically there is no public safety. The public may be chances to touch, they will go to die. They will go to get a problem. So this is the drawback of these standard conductors. One more important point we are discussing, we have to discuss in this standard conductors. In the standard conductors, we have, let us take an example 7 standard conductors. It means let us we have to take a 7 standard conductor like this. So middle portion we have one conductor, followed by 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 strands together. We have to draw it is 7 strands conductor. This one 7 strands conductor. This 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is middle conductor. In this, if you use in this the 7 strands standard conductor, if you use all or same material, if you use all 7 strands of same material, such a conductors are called as homogeneous conductors. Homogeneous conductors. In the 7 strands, we use same material. That is nothing but homogeneous material. If you use aluminium, if you use copper, if you use some other material, that comes under homogeneous material. If you use all conductors or all strands by aluminium material, if 7 strands which are made by aluminium material of the same material, such a type of conductor called as AAC. Nothing but all aluminium conductors. All aluminium conductors. That is called AAC. What do you understand by AAC? All aluminium conductors, because 7 strands by same material. Such a conductor called as basically homogeneous. If you use aluminium for 7 strands made by aluminium, nothing but all aluminium conductors. So this homogeneous or all aluminium conductor, we have overcome the skill effect, but we have a problem with tensile strength. Sag of the conductor increases, we are not supposed to be public safety. To overcome this sag and tensile strength problem, it should be overcome by using composite standard conductors. This is second one. We have a third type, composite standard conductors, that we will discuss in the next class. Thanks for watching. If we continue the next video, you can understand this. Thanks for watching. Keep continuing.